yourself in a good spot.
Today marked the first day of rifle moose hunting, and while it was the first day, the old boy Kevin had been scouting the area for his brother-in-law Tim for quite some time. The amount of moose that southern Saskatchewan has been witness to is remarkable. The lack of hunting tags and predators results in a population of moose that are more curious and cautious.
Another big rub. Moose in the area here. A nice rub. Hopefully it's a big boy. Tim Fisher can put one on there.
Kevin found that there were massive amounts of bull moose in the area and was eager for the season to begin. On the last day before the season began, Kevin saw the moose that he thought Tim would be interested in. The restlessness for the next morning began. Day 1.
Well, we're finally here. October 1st. About time. We waited a freaking long time for it. But we're doing lots of scouting. Fisher's got a tag to fill. Got Kelly back there and Brandon. Tim's the only one that pulled the tag out of 16, so but there's lots of moose where we're going, so it's just a matter of closing the deal today. But time is here. 20K or something. Got pictures of one. Hopefully,
Yeah.
not putting the horse in front of the cart, but hopefully he's on the trailer. 2 or 3 hours here.
While the one moose that was on Kevin and Tim's radar could not be located, almost immediately they started to see moose.
Well, we just coming in to drop this trailer off, and we spotted 2 moose out there, and looked and they're scrapping. So you don't get to see that every day. But we'll park this trailer and have a look and see
Looks like
how big they are.
Got their attention.
Yeah. Split them up a little bit, maybe go in the yard, they'll continue their scrap.
And so the old boys marched into the yard where they set the trailer and attempted to try and get around on the group of moose. Using a grain bin, they peered around trying to find the group of animals. Little did they realize the quickness of these large beasts, for they managed to get around on Kevin, Kelly, and Tim.
I see it there. Oh, the wind. Wind. Smell us probably. Let's smell it. Sniffing. Yeah, those willows over there, which is trash. Yeah, that's where we took pictures of them once. We got our little run out. Oh, excitement right off the bat.
While it was the first day of rifle, Tim wanted to see if he could have a chance with bow, and so getting close was top priority. What the old boys failed to take into consideration was that as they watched the two moose from the north, another group of moose came around to the south of the yard.
Let's go by these trees here. I'll see if I can put this call on. Well, let's get back to the truck, I guess. Go for up the lane again.
What Kevin, Kelly, and Tim were finding was that while the moose weren't too skittish, they still remained a far distance and failed to provide Tim with a realistic archery shot.
Yeah, I can see him. That's pretty cool, hey? See the top of them? Yeah.
The old boys spotted a small group of moose laying in a group of willows. They attempted to pull a stalk.
I'll try and have it. Try and get him in his full range. If not, Fisher's got his rifle. It'll be pretty hard with poor guys here. Getting in rifle or bow range, but we'll see what we can do. I'll try calling from here. Hey, call from here, get to that, where do you want me to get to? Go in here. Yeah, go sit by that tree there. If he gets by that tree.
But the moose did not budge. Kevin and Tim inched closer to the slough that the moose were in. Second thoughts were started to fill the minds of the old boys, which questioned if the moose were still in the slough, and so they came up with a plan.
We're not sure if he's in there or not. Kelly's go around to the truck and drive in like a battery operator and have a look and see if he's in there. If he's in there, then we'll try keep calling him, try to get him up. But maybe he's got a girlfriend in there. I'm not sure. There goes Kelly. He's gonna drive in the lease to see if he's still in there. Maybe give us a slip and got out of there, but I don't think so. I said he turned the other way, so Thinking maybe he's in there, I don't know. Still in there. Right in the middle. Still there? Yeah. As soon as I went by, I could see them on the paddles. White paddles.
As the old boys attempted to get closer to the bull moose, the moose and company got up and started to run north. The boys followed. Again out of range for Tim with his bow, and so they decided that rifle would have to be the weapon of choice for this hunt. Kevin and Kelly and Tim got closer to the two moose, who proved their lack of concern, for they only remained a few hundred yards from Tim. Tim took advantage of the lack of concern and acted upon it, for the bull provided Tim with a clear shot.
You hit him.
Did I?
Sounded like a hit.
Shaking.
Well, what do you think?
Did you hit him?
Oh yeah.
Hopefully. Right behind the shoulder. But I was shaking a bit. Still shaking.
Well, yeah. That's a big one.
Well, Tim just hit one there. He's there standing there.
Yeah. Standing up. Tim just shot one. He was a little shaky, but it sounded like you hit him anyway. Apparently solid. I got him in a good spot. That close? That's where I was going. Yeah, 4 shots.
Oh, well, seen lots of moose today. First day, October 1st, of moose hunting, and wow, they're not shy of moose in this area, that's for sure. Seen this one.
2 bulls fighting this morning.
2 bulls fighting, and
First thing in the morning.
seen this one off the, actually a battery operator told us that he was just down the road a little way, so it's nice to have guys looking for you and helping you out. But yeah, I mean, he's not a giant, but he's pretty decent for a bull.
Pretty decent, eh?
Yeah, it'll be good eating bull.
Well,
sure.
first bull moose I ever shot.
Yeah,
So.
it's awesome.
Got
Did with the bow, but just not the day for it. So we gave up on that idea.
Yeah, pull out the rifle, and lots of hunters today. You know, they haven't seen any in the last 3 weeks, and I guess they're all out and about today. So he's a fighter. He's got some scars on him, and really bad one there in his nose. So probably a bigger one around here, but this will have to do for this year.
Yeah, good.
That was great. Thanks, you guys.
Good job.
It's fantastic.
She was good.
My buddies.
Congratulations.
Successful hunting is not determined by the trophies that are tagged, but rather the stories that are created by a group of people. Tagging an animal is not what makes the hunt special, it's sharing that experience with friends and family. Our pursuit across the flatlands of Saskatchewan is to help inspire and applaud those who enjoy the connections to friends and family that hunting provides.